Okay, Mercedes smart car. Prepare to be amused, amazed, or utterly indifferent. Up to you. After the winter, my engine's a little dirty. Hate it. If you want to clean your engine without having to actually do anything, I'll show you how. It's about a 5-minute process, and you don't have to get your hands dirty if they're not already dirty like mine are. Foaming tire cleaner. Don't do it while the engine's running at all. You don't want to suck any of this up because there's silicone in it. This isn't just for smart cars. This works on anything. Trying to get down deep in there. And you can see it lifting the dirt in some places. So I'm just gonna leave the camera here. I wish I could put it on slow motion or fast motion or something, time lapse, whatever. I'm not gonna touch this thing. In 5 minutes, I'll just turn the camera back on and you'll see, no touch. Oh, wait. Missed a spot under there. This will not damage anything. It's actually good for all your rubber hoses and your plastics. It will protect them. It clean and protect. It soaks into the plastic and rubber, especially the rubber. Anyway, back in a minute. 2 minutes and counting, be back at 5. Okay, here we are 5 minutes later, approximately. You can see that the silicone is soaked into most places, and there's a couple tiny spots where it just doesn't have the ability to drip out. Up to you whether you want to wipe that off or not. But you don't have to really. I just can't stand it, so I will wipe it out. But it can sit on there, it won't harm anything. But you've basically cleaned your engine, made it look like new for 30 cents and 5 minutes of work. Now, if your engine's been sitting for 40 years, this might not work. But it does do a good job. On a regular basis, using this, I do it probably twice a year to all my cars. And can't stand working on a dirty engine if I have to work in there. So anyway, thanks for watching.